Hello, my name is Abhinav from 6A and SS called Excellence.
Hello, my name is Tarun Manish from class 6A. I am from SSTM School of Excellence.
We are talking about a cleaning robot.
We are talking about a cleaning robot which saves our Mother Earth from pollution. It is in about navigation and many other like cleaning.
Now I want to explain about my robot. It has a camera which collects very powerful ultrasonic sensor. It has a vacuum cleaner which attracts dust particles very quickly. It has a cleaning robot at the base and it can take around the size of 30 cm waste. The cleaning fluid can be dry and wet as the robot is waterproof.
Our goals. We need to provide a robot in a cheap price and everything. And we need to save our Mother Earth from heavy pollution.
It's modular design. It has different components like vacuum cleaner, cleaning robot and a vacuum cleaner. It has vacuum cleaner, camera, a cleaning robot at its base and a cleaning cloth plus a vacuum cleaner. In this robot we can add additional things like a mop or anything wet for cleaning. It is also detachable and is good in sanitation. Air and sensors. It has a smart navigation. It has advanced sensors and AI or better obstacle detection, mapping and path planning.
Battery and charging. Longer battery life incorporates a more energy efficient battery or even solar panels too. It's standard cleaning time. Auto locking and add an auto locking feature that allows the robot to return to its charging station when its battery low. Interactive features. Mobile app notification control the robot and it also has an air purifier.
Cleaning cloth enhancement. Self-cleaning cloth. Add a mechanism to rinse or clean the cloth automatically while it works, reducing the need for human intervention. Washable clothes. Use a cloth that can be easily removed and washed after each use. Sustainability. Eco-friendly materials. We can use recyclable or biodegradable materials for the outer casing and internal components to reduce environmental impact. Water conservation. Integrate a water saving system in adding a mop feature.
The material I used for this robot is a camera, a cleaning cloth, and a powerful cleaning robot, solar panels, and batteries.
Why is this innovation better than others? It is powered by ChatGPT. It detects something until it makes it clean, which is done by the Pro camera. Make it VMA30 1SDB 1000 voltage cleaner motor, which is rupees 2730. Camera integration. We can use a camera not just for navigation but for remote monitoring via an app. NAENT 14.6 voltage, 16.8 voltage, 14.8 voltage, lithium ion battery, TP-Link Tapo A200 solar panel, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor is used here.
Thank you, Dikshit Bharat, for this opportunity.
We are going to say like 1.3.